G'day and welcome to O-Ring Express, your trusted supplier of high quality O-rings and rubber components across Australia. With years of experience and thousands of O-rings successfully tested and supplied, we've become one of the leading companies in producing and supplying O-rings and other rubber components. Whether you're tackling home repairs, working on a DIY project, or you're a professional in repair, maintenance or manufacturing, we've got you covered. All our products are stocked locally in Melbourne, and thanks to a partnership with Australia Post, we can deliver O-rings right to your doorstep anywhere in Australia. Whether you need a single O-ring or bulk orders for large-scale projects, we can help. If you need just a few O-rings, you can easily buy them from our eBay store. If you're a professional, browse our product catalogue and create a trade account to access our wholesale prices. Or contact us directly for a free technical consultation and quote. At O-Ring Express, we ensure precision, quality and reliability in every product we supply. Let O-Ring Express help you get the job done right.